Three.
Welcome to today's show, Random Sunday Best Meal. We're here for today the chicken garnished with salmon and chicken with marinade with beans. The beans are already pureed. If you look at it, it's already blended. Initially, this is how it look like. I hope you can see it. But I have to put it in a blender. If you need more information about the blender, how to blend it, I use one of my gadgets here. So pureed, it's very nice. And if you need more blender, Ninja is very nice. I'm not patronizing them. I'm just telling you how good it is. So come to this and how we normally do it. We already washed the chicken. We marinate it. I will send you the link how we do the chicken. Right now the chicken is in the oven. No, it's almost done. It's gonna come out in very nice. So right now I'm gonna do the salmon. So how we started, first, the salmon is right here, which we're gonna do the base first, and salmon is gonna go inside. Then after that, the salmon will go inside the oven. Just watch me, I'm gonna do it. Follow me.
Three.
Let the oil bubble a little bit. So now we'll go inside. We're gonna put onion. We're still coming back for the rest of the onion, but right now this is what we need right now. While this is bubbling, we have to go after our the pepper. The pepper is made by the pepper, the chili pepper, the habanero, you know, what you need, the onion, everything you need it as you like it, but this is how I like it. So my pepper is gonna go inside. We're gonna give it a little bit to cook, then we'll come back to it. So right now we are going to multitask, you know, for our time. So we are going to start making our sauce for the chicken that is in the oven already. The chicken is almost done. We'll take it out for a few minutes. But right now we're going to do the sauce for the chicken. So you need your oil. You need your onion. You need the onion to go inside. While that one is cooking, don't forget we're doing the sauce for the chicken itself. So anyway, so just watch me while I'm doing it. While we're waiting for this is already cooking. If you look at it now, our minced beef is gonna go inside. Look. I hope you see what I'm doing. While this is cooking, you need your evaporated milk. So you're gonna give it a little stir and allow it to cook for another 15 minutes. The rest of the pepper, we're gonna dump it in the sauce for the thing. While you are doing that, don't forget your seasoning. I don't know what you're using, but this is what I like to use. Give amount of how you want it to taste. Just little. Don't forget your rosemary. I like lemon pepper. Don't forget lemon pepper. Just a little bit will go inside. And I like the flavor for the adobo. If you're the one that like to use salt too much, I don't like to use salt because of this sodium, but a little pinch of salt is okay. Then give a little stir. We're gonna make it a little bit thick because it's going on top of the chicken. So while this is cooking right now, we let it be. We put on low, we don't eat, and we come back to our sauce. We give a little stir to our creamy piece sauce. If you look at it. So right now, as this is cooking right now, so the marinade salmon is gonna go inside. So we pour our salmon inside. It's gonna cook the low, middle, heat. Probably 6 minutes, then we put it in the oven for another 10 minutes. Alright, right now let it cook and we'll come back to it. So in the same pan, we're gonna put our shrimp. You see, the shrimp is already washed and we put it inside. And we have to allow it to cook. Remember I told you whatever seasoning you like to season your thing. The piece is already seasoned before with all this thing I showed you before. It's already seasoned. This is also have a good taste. I tried it. It's really tasty. Depending on the seasoning you like to use. Beautiful. So we allow it to cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. Then we're gonna put it in the baking pan and put it in the oven. I'll see you in a few minutes. All right, welcome back. Our chicken is all done in the oven. If you look at it, very nice chicken. Look, very golden brown. Very nice. It's already done in the oven. So while we are going to put our so at this point we are going to give our beef sauce with the salmon garnished with the shrimp. We're going to put it in the oven for 15 minutes. doing it. The pan is already washed, it's right here. And so we're gonna pour this stuff inside. So as I'm putting everything together, it's going straight to the oven. Now I can pour the sauce over it. Then we're gonna cover it with our spinach. Right now we put it back in the oven. We are going to put it in 350 degree for another 15 minutes. Our salmon with the oven. Right now we put it on this granite so that it will not mess our tail. Did you see how it come through? It's really come very nice. Look, you can make this at home. It's not every meal for Sunday. You come back from church. There's no reason for you to have heavy meal. Stop eating ever. Stop eating all those things every meal all the time. There's things you can do and you can make your family happy. The sauce go with the chicken on top of it, and this is sauce, the soup for it. I hope you enjoy this, and we're gonna call our guests of today to come and appraise the food, how the food look like. So we see. All right, now we're gonna dish the food for our guests of today and see how they enjoy our Sunday best meal. Over the piece on the side. And follow with the sauce. Remember, we made the sauce for it for the chicken. Our guest has been our guest for since we started, and he liked and he enjoyed it. So. So we let our guests continue to eat and tell us how our meal goes for this week. For Randall's Sunday best meal. Incredible. As you can hear, our guest says the meal is incredible. These are the things you can make at home for your family Sunday or Saturday when you are home together as a family. You don't have to be eating about or amala every food all the time. That's a simple meal you can make at home. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. I will send you the link if you need it. You can contact me on the Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and the Facebook. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you. God bless. Thank you for following Random Sunday Best Meal.